poshela, simnandi njeso. Mangifuni poshela, celube nami. Mix maposhela na asamele, asame sonke, lento ngeyethu. Sing maposhela, simnandi njeso. Mangifuni poshela, celube nami. Mix maposhela na asamele, asame sonke, lento ngeyethu. Mama shiya 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 shiya. Namhlanje ngishintsha 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 poshela, simnandi njeso. Mangifuni poshela, celube nami. Mix maposhela na asamele, asame sonke, lento ngeyethu. Sing maposhela, simnandi njeso. Mangifuni poshela, celube nami. Mix maposhela na asamele, asame sonke, lento ngeyethu. Mama shiya 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 shiya. Namhlanje ngishintsha 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 ngishintsha. Shintsha magiya, namhlanje sizogiya, bathi yamalaniya. Yeah yeah yeah. Shintsha 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 magiya. Namhlanje mama thina sizogiya. Shintsha magiya, namhlanje sizogiya, bathi yamalaniya. Yeah yeah yeah.
Still wanna meet you. Who are you? Miss you. Oh, yeah, I remember you. Thank you so much. Your eyes. My eyes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. class today. No, I'm free. I'm free. I don't know class. I cannot class, so I'm free. Oh, thank you for the roses. Good night. What's your name? Sinomo Taylor. Thank you for the rose, bro. Sorry, Rachel. Don't be sad. Sorry. Thank you for the roses. Okay. Listen. Me anyway, can take me. Married next week. Oh. I get a phone here because I have to 75. What? What do you mean you have 75? What are you talking about? Guys, please tap the screen. Kenapa? Tadi mana? Sulama Botane. Let's do Sulama Bota. Hi. Okay. Your eyes making me blush. I'm still waiting for my video. Which video? Are you dating? No. I'm not dating. Yeah, sparkles in those eyes. See, my person. Guys, I'm a vendor. Half vendor, half Nigerian, half Pedi, half Ndebele, half Sutu, half Tonga, half Changani. Yeah. So guys.
Hello?
What's happening here? Ah. Really? Panagayalwal. So I don't know what's happening here. But I think maybe it's because
Yang bondo putot podes po espege. Ang safuro gudalang abama dengan sila. Sila mabaca, sila mape, sila mabaca, sila mape. Yang bondo putot podes po espege. Ang safuro gudalang abama dengan sila. Sila mabaca, sila mape. Non shabaga mahari ebarate ke maniki nyoso aisa na iwe nurongo sioki chila mabota chila nalibi seki stubari pota pare spena chi pati sikanda roba maheta sarisa skuba roba la mateka ebarate ke maniki nyoso ebarate ke maniki nyoso Kimanikinyoso Mashiu bana Lewachi mashiu bana
Amakia again. Amakia again. Okay. That's fine. Amakia, okay, yeah, I will dance. Really, guys. Azanga brazo. Azanga brazo. Please be my role model. Okay. Oh no, no, I'm in the valley, but I speak Spedi. It's Spedi or I speak Tori, I don't know. I don't know. But I guess Pitori, I don't know. But I'm not a I am also to Kimundevele, but I speak Spedi. Spedi or Spitori, whatever. Maybe time, I don't know. Eliminating here. Okay. Huh? Hi, hello. Hi guys. Please tap the screen, eh? Please. If someone, if udula mo Pitori ne, kopelo comment. If udula go Pitor, cause Kibril guys, no. Thank you so much for the roses. Thank you so much. I can't pronounce your name, but thank you. Get in a picture. Which side? Okay. Sosha. Sosha is too far. Pretoria CBD. Not Bo, my melody, Bo Sosha, Bo Centurion. It's too far. Or Central. Okay. Let me text you. I'm serious. Hi. It will come. When? Kinagawa Dulago Pretoria CBD. Not MAMS, not Amaskral, not not Centurion. Like Ikohula Centurion. No, I think it's 10 minutes away. I don't know. I'm talking about like more treatment. Pretoria CBD. Bo Central, Bo Sunnyside, Arcadia. What else? Yeah. I think Bomami Lodi. I don't know. 15 minutes. Okay. Something. Koleso. Kopi lagan. Kopi lagan. Thank you so much for the king ice cream. Thank you so much for the roses. Wow. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Pretoria CBD. Kakopela. On regular bonnet. Ngizokunikeza iwine. Why ungikhulumisa ngesipedi umsimandebele? Yabo? Sindiswa no. Ungayenzi leyo. Are you VUT? VUT no. Hi. Lol, I'm coming now. If Wajoka go block. Language like guys. If Umbasama go block sis. Don't lie. Mara angithi ukhuluma sona. No, when ngikhulumisa ngesindebele ngesimandebele thina sithu. So ngizobaphendula ngesipedi. Cause ke wala speed. Ngawari sithu. Ngawari. Nginawe. Zulu guys, it's ngimndebele. Ndebele. Bo. Hayi bo sanibonani no. Ni lochani. Ninjani. Nisavukile na ni regge. Yebo. I'm Ndebele, not a Zulu, but I speak Spade. Or Spitori, I don't know. Ndebele regge. Ndebele gym. Yabo. Ndebele gym. I'm Zulu mina. Ndebele regge. ngimNdebele. Ndebele from Mpumalanga. KwaNdebele. Ngiphuma KwaNdebele mina. Ne? Ngiphuma KwaNdebele. Ake muZulu, ake muPedi. Yeah. Ke muNdebele. Oh, le ngale ke bolela SeNdebele. Le tlo ngula. Mhlanga osiyabusa. Yabona lawa masayidi lawo ne? Ampur ngiyawazi lawa masayidi. Ngiyakwazi. Namakhazini kwaMhlanga naseSiyabusa. Angeke bakuze. I know, that's why Kibulela Spade, because if Kibulela home language aka SeNdebele, like I sing good, so that's why Kibulela Spade. Okay. I go Missouri Sinash. Oh, I know what I was saying. So beautiful. Thank you. Lola, I'm almost at KwaMhlanga kuphi? A Mountain View. Ngazi a Mountain View, Paula, yini Zakheni, yini enye naseMandela. Yabo? Hello, hi. Ngiyakuzwa mntasekhaya. Umkhetho. Like nje ngikhuluma isiNdebele like ngingakhulumi isiPedi or yini. Yabo? Nje ngikhuluma ilimi lami man. Ngibe mNdebele like. Oh, ngingakhuluma isiPedi or but ngitlo dira yang cause ke phela le maPedi guys, so especially mo Pitori one way. So ke bolela SeNdebele abangikudli. So mina angazi. Are you Ndebele? Yeah, I'm Ndebele. I also stay that side. Kuphi Mandela or Mountain View or Zakheni or Paula. Hi. Pitori Mahlanyeng. I can see what about Mahlanyeng. I don't know. Some petty sagabat. I don't know. Talk some Ndebele. La guakia. Bari Kibulela SeNdebele. When I come to Devon, you angazi. Devon, you ngifika ngani? Devon this up. Uhlala eMhlanga mina. Hi. AmaNdebele ami aphi? MaNdebele akwaGaye likokhaya. Nikuphi? Gape ke abuse Sepedi like every day Sepedi. MaNdebele nikuphi mara? Guys. Where is he? Yo guys. Angazi Josie. Did you manage to do your edge, girl? Shh. Yeah, Bob. Where are you? Pretoria CBD. Paula in Mountain View. Okay. Ube ngawuthanda umuntu wesifazane ngabe anginayo ex yo guys emanyana kamjolo mina I'm not dating, so can I come to for your visit? Na if o nyaka dira meet up le nna make sure gore o kgone go bina ne cause na a ke motho lo qoqa ke rata go bina nje. So did you do your lip liner? Tap the screen. Thank you so much for the roses. Wow. Guys, I love roses. Because my name is Palesa. Why don't you, Mara guys, why was I like a vampire ka Palesa? Ke mundebele but kamalam ke Palesa. But ke mundebele. Like I Shanghai. Abang ke barile ke Mbali. Yeah, Mbali. Not Palesa, manish. Game debele. But bang biza ngopalesa. Yona ngathi ngakara chance. Yeah, home affairs. Kobe Mbali, sis. Because I'm confusing ke confuse abantu. Bari ke mopedi and nna ke mopedi ke mondebele. So, yabo. Uthi inkinga. You're beautiful. Thank you. But is saying any question, ne? Mareo peta. Koi fida kara kai bonus. Life yawan very busy too much. So choose what? So choose other name. But I get out of time to live out, so sorry. Hi, can I send you money? I know what you call my manga. But when I'm to add, can I send you money? Can I? How did you meet Z? Okay. I'm phoning here. I was in class, so bang invite for event there. King, is it Nickelodeon channel 305? Yeah. Nearly event, so I'm invite bang Uber, Kafisha Quack. Then yeah, didn't pay anything. Ukudla bekumahala, dijo nidili mahala. You know, and eventually monatira. Mara was shaking. Ngeke fihla kwa. Mara la tsaba lena. Maybe it's because of I grew in it, but Kaba kare o tlhakala le celebrity guys. Wa choga like lemela haola wantshwara wa like o latlhela ke mantswe a o tse bore o reng guys. Ne ke le yalo ke chile. Things are gila, to be honest. I understand. When did you start TikTok? Last year. Yeah, last year around February. Because get iPhone last year. February, so I told you the content car. Oh. Listen, but you look good. Thank you. But it's a guiding number to how. No, I'm communicating this in Malo. So, oh yeah, I'm communicating this in Malo. The manager I hire, so manager I hire and go by the number and come off. So yeah. Para bailar esta música que pumulemo. Ena. Acabou. Why some bottle de lipsi chakari yambe? Lantro el lavel. ¿Qué le cepile eso? Lena. Plans for the day? No. No plans. La bona dilo tse tsa o thala-thala a se dilo tsaka, so ish guys ke rata dilo yo. Bona thanda izinto nje still obots guys ka di-lips tse so bona bona ke a tutorial e serious mo ke buile la bona ke buile hape ka matlholo and ntwe a ke a lebotsa gore nna ke motho le makeup and ntwe ke a mo mara nna ke itšhatša mo mara a re tsebe selo akere what's going on manje nawe wenza ngathi awufuni angifuni ini. Yes, of course, thank you so much. Ke lahlile mara ka half it can you let me say any question? Ulahletse kae? Hey wena yo mahlaneng. Deep 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 deep. Nna ke le boditse ka re ke motho le makeup so le ska blame akere ke la khopela please me and judge guys so I can ex in nation no I can jol so I'm not dating. But saying any question come jolo ya bana ka lebot I can jol so let's carry any X in X king well king and it can be easy go over the net it's true we all don't know I take a wabo. Don't fall pregnant. I have future plans for us. Maga. Okay, but what toxic things do you do? Toxic. Nothing. Guys, nakiphila ke le ka mantlong. Salam bana like ke ngwana na o la wa. Re ke homola. Kainka o bona o le break you must explain. I promise nyeke. Try true. Pinky promise. Pregnant na. Stainless steel. Wena, kemang wena, do you know me? Kemang, so Hosi, I don't know you. Why did you? Hi Kim, where do you stay? Originally I'm from Pumalanga, but I'm currently staying at Pretoria CBD. How are you? I'm fine. Wena? Where did you get? Yes, I was out of your peaches. Koshin. I don't think your boyfriend or now guys, I'm not dating. It's true. I'm not dating, man. How? Like in Pumalanga, middle back. Yo, Kholaso. O sharp or Tuzang. Or Tuzang. Nothing. I'm bored of you. I'm good to me the way I love you. Oh, darling, Pitor. What's up, Pitor? Why in Pumalanga? In Pumalanga is big, ne? Kwandebele. If you know, decide to tell us yeah, give more. Because Kim Teville, Miss La Payaville. In Pumalanga, Kwandebele. Yeah. Do you know Alia over there in Pumalanga? I get them about him. Get out the shame, call the lower, oh, the love. Plus Mariga, para que Mariga ne? Mariga Adwaya. So true. Get is a keeper CC. The land is a battle line. Nice. Minankhulu mamanyas. If you go meet up Alena, don't stress about lunch or ojang. Let's get at the DJ so level is sorted. Hi, you're so cute. Send you money. Scan send dollars, right? So Hela Hussein was Utlota. Rental fashion or I don't understand. One day will whoop Tabo. I wonder if you know Siabuzwa and then if you know one slanga. Yeah. Then Wakafontaine. Emachiri Pitis Kral Matebele Agagua. So naming it. Ichwakwa. Serious. On text a no reply. Naki ignoring message about. As long as also have a little negative, I will have positive before reply. I saw Rana. I can reply back. I wish I was old. My father was too slow. Come on. Would you like the noodles? On boy. And I got horror in a part. I'm doing this starch, man, doing my kuranya. So, how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Get bored. Today get breathe. Oh, can't do a calorie boom alive. It's off a loop poster. Riboni, who are you? Hello. I don't know you. What's wrong with it? I want you to be my best friend. Udula number one. I can't wait to meet you. Yeah, when Ngizoza ngo-December, sorry. Ngizoza ngo-December. Because December I'm going back to Mpumalanga. So yeah. Ngizodlula lapho kwaMhlanga. Hi. Joburg. Yo, Joburg khole so. Kufihlelana. Ke khole mo. Always comment and rate on your videos. No, why do I get Oman? Because lebitso la hao leng hopotsa ngwana mongwe so from high school ne ke tsena le yena, and then it did like grade 12 yena, so ke re bone I thought yena, so that's why I was checking your profile. So I don't know you, but thank you. I'll do the same. Okay then, cool. Hi. I can't pronounce your name, so oh yeah, cute, thank you guys. Liko kae lena mara li online, so aletsani skolo wirala Kiyemi bo Kiyemi ke lapse go dula fase. Lol, ke fihlile town ko kae guys? La mmona ke re ha ka mo helka kwa bar ke lahlile or o angkutsela mmona ke tlo phina wena mara re go tloela ka tlala na I cannot last today ra tshwana tsholo. I have beautiful voice though. Your voice like a deep, especially if ke bolela language yaka. Wow, ke monna felletseng shota ka ditedi ho ke monna. Where you at? Pretoria. Lattes through main door the pet. Liquid. When I speak my home language, iba degenyanas. So guys. Okay. Which language are you speaking? Ndebele. Ndebele. Give us any max. Text the hair. On text it or reply. Please give us some normal content. Content. Nekina. Okay, I'm going to let my fellow hair. Because but for like 2 minutes. Ne? Do you know how to speak other languages? Yeah. English, Afrikaans, Ndebele, Sotho, Zulu, Swati. Yeah. 6. Bochangani Venda. I don't mind. What? To chill with you the whole day. Tell my over guy. I think my little sister. Yes. Why is so beautiful? I could joke like that. That's why. Because I long I take a pellet. Hi, the ball. You're going to be in for 5 seconds. Sharp. Two minutes. TikTok yami ayifuna accept akuyibona but yo yaw accepta di request tami akuyibona ke press kae because akuyiboni mo ke press kae which option because akuyiboni mo ke acceptang the request ke bolelele lena angiyiboni so I don't know mo le ne ya tlhahella hore la request mo ora e tlhahelle le ke le bone ke le binele for 2 minutes so re ke bine She's coming tomorrow to my place. It hasn't appeared, but she will. Why Vele? Go to settings. And then after more, but then get steps here. You're coming with her tomorrow. Oh, hi. Kilibinate. I'm happy. I don't know who is or kilibinate. So kilibinate here. Ni happy. Hi. Ke gana the gift e ka go. Salvana Mahar. Palisa Mama. Thank you so much for the roses. I hope I'll tell you now in order copy tour. Kopa ubine happy hakao bona. Choo. Ke lapile ke tla binela tšhemisa ware ke tlo posta ka go tegane inbox map. I love you too. She's my sister. Same is Begile inkomo kusele yabona guys laba bana badlala kalona labona mjolo le lamokwa a re bolela ka dikgomo and kwa ba ke tape di gona dikgomo ba lo fora bjang le mpatla dipolelo ke nna ke bolele too much I was speaking with my uncles. They are coming tomorrow. Shapa 360 that yo akapara too. Such a gorgeous honey. Thank you. I got bad, I'm fine. I got bad, so oh but Uzi. Guys, let me put it guys. I don't know. I don't get it. Hi. Kekopa. Darato kaufela. Yo. I can tell you. Did you bath? Yes. 5 o'clock. I'm sure not of it. Ayalanga. Yo guys, kinyako shakanale that girl. So bad. Okay. Hi. Yes, this is mangangahaka nje. Ayalanga mangangithi ngakhala. Oh guys, ngavele ngabashaya sometime. Ngavele ngabashaya. Guys, gerata ngwanyano too much. Like ayalanga. Yo. Yeah, Morata Shem, I don't want to lie. Morata too much. I got you. If I gotta give me explaining it, that's a book. I don't want to lie. I can not say it, but I'm explaining like yo guys. Kuluma ungabi shy. Whoa. Guys, I live am I80. Life I got I80, so I don't know why. I don't know. Please add eyeliner. Wait, Mbote. Because now I can mostly live, so I don't know. Keep pressing it. Cause literally, okay. I tried that thing out about. It's your first time? Yeah, it's my first time. So sebafuna ukungibona ngingezile bye ama ngizokuthinta ku WhatsApp. It's okay. Hi, thank you so much, Sissy. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, mara la tsaba ke tshaba batho ya. Not like batho. Especially my celebrity, my TikTok influencer. Yo, especially bake baratang. Yo guys, I change. Gotta change like Skachaba yo. When I let's say maybe hotla artist ya how ratang he or TikTok influencer ya hao o e ratang. O mpotsa gore ka sebe shy. A re bolele nnete. Ka sebe shy. Hawa. Ska chava. We have plug on text there. Claro, me la number like Mara oka Pitora, so I don't know if that's in there via Pexi or what. I don't know, but kilo plug so what. Oh, Mara. Hi. Hello. Guys, if I'm well on that side, what doing today? I hope you do this day. Because Lena here, whether if I'm young, that's a whether I get or less day. Go to Munya how. What doing, you? Marabatuan, Papa mostra them bar. So Marabala, guys, let's on a school. Only let's a day off, so only little feel or when's that? Hi. Please tap the screen. Day off. Okay. Hi Leo. Please. Get day off, Tom. Okay. A day off. Okay. I've been saving. Okay, thank you, Lizzie. As in holiday. Little feel Elena. Oh, Jilla today. Yeah, I get Jill. Nihile. Naka talk Gavaya. Oh, yeah, right. Hi. Kita pumulan din. Hi, Matema. Thank you, Minentle. Ngabona? Lip combo tsaleni. Yeah, iphumule. Ke iphumule. Uzoyiphumula vela sitshilo chaka. Usabe max kanet. Nrumela photo ke bo. Nrumela photo ke bo. How is all between you and Z? I don't know. But I'm 22. I'm 22. Can I live 22? So I can see another level, but I think same age. Same age, ne? 21, 22. I don't know. Twins. Really? di ba le phetse no mehla tsara ba ke kana tsara wa zi ba re ke tsara le kokos khoteni ba re ke tsara le zi so nna ke tse or ba tsere kokos khoteni le zi ba mixa so ko baulong e wine wa tswa nna mpotse because to be honest nazi ne ke sa motsibi ke tse like I can't let him mention about the commenting that then next time I'll say so ke motsibi le ka lena so I guess yo 11 out of 10 makes sense so Bari ke tshwanetse what teboho hi guys mara la tsebo gore ke lapisitse ko ema and ka dula fatshe le ka sembobo or ke gymming ne ko gymanyana plus ke khale ke sa gymming since March, April, May, June, July 5 months. I don't know. Who's Mama Wandi? Thank you so much. I mingle munyana wena. Mara guys. Hari kiska balel. Bongozi straight. Thank you. Ngatu Popeyes. Popeye. No Popeye. No. Beautiful. Thank you. Can't get Ashley. No, Asha. I don't know how to pronounce it, but thank you so much for the roses. Hello. Thank you so much, Pessy. Bye, Mother. Hello, was it right? Guys, Mark. Bye, Sissy. Bye. In this one. Your beauty. Thank you, KG. What did you do? My eyebrow. I don't have any kid that get ready with me, so I try to, make it taste the makeup. So, yeah. I get the makeup through nail thing. I get live I'm at home, so that's why. I look just cute like a teddy bear. Thank you. You are nice. Thank you. What's else shall I get? Zimbabwe. Next to Maputo. Like Maputo nyana so. Sorry, I came late. Hey, Chubby, baby, the edge bar, fruit, yeah, and zini. Oh, okay, yeah. Maputo, next to Angola. I'm put next to Nigeria. I stay there. Lizzie. That's so beautiful. Thank you. Hey, Maputo. Kajampisa, ne? I want Maputo, but it's already up. So let's come here. Get some Maputo. ba ba fihlileng late ke dula Maputo ne, so yeah. I dula Maputo. Now you are from Limpopo. Limpopo, you. Ba fofa ka batho. Ba re so, ba re. Ke kwile ba re. Na mina ngazi next. Namphumi Maputo. So I don't know. Ntombazana yaseMaputo. Tla ke reke ticket ya Maputo ge ya e reke tšho. O tlebele Maputo. Hi. Hey guys, Galician. Let's have. Ke dula Maputo, shem ba ba fihlileng no ke dula Maputo. I get it, guys. I feel so easy. Oh, nakelapile. Bye bye, guys. My enemies will be jealous if they saw you with me. Nna ke loma batho. Wa tseba batho ba Maputo ba loma batho. Nna ke nyako ya tronko, so. Which nation are you? It's not that you should date. Etswana. O terang ge o etsa mo live. Ke nagana o shoota content. Cause ke braid. Can you sing Amakia? Ke bolela language le ya Maputo hela, so I don't know how to sing. So yeah. Ke Maputo, ke tswa Maputo, so I don't know how to sing. Bo? Mara, please be online. Who are you? You see those who followed me, ne? Get only follow back. I guess next, nah. You follow me, I follow you back. Easy. You follow me, I follow you. You like my videos, I like your videos. 50-50. Nagari accept that. Hi, you follow. I'll follow you back, chum. Sesi yafana futhi. Ngani? Sifana ngani? I love you too. This thing ngarinya ko boncha dilunyana wayo. Kingen lere kingen tola ka speed. Ntola ya ngana pela mo. Spelete ne. Ke bona kare yesh. I guess snacks. Now you follow me, go follow her back. Bang follower, go follower. I get hate. I get about 12 hours hate. So I get to why. And I get at the defendant that got blind. too much. So hi Luanda. Yo, I love you, Sean. I love you too. Yo, I choose up. Okay, guys. Hello, pretty. Such you as Zulu. No, I'm not a Zulu. Zulu is not a Zulu. Is a Mswati. Oh, call me Swati. Let me see Swati. Bo, Nyendendon. Right? Amandi. Angat. Nyendeng. Abo. Swat. Then I was Zulu. Hey, ngazi Nkosi bonkosi yami ntombazane mama. Hayi mina ngazi. Mina ngimndebele. Mina ngilindebele so the language ngim fetola monna. Di dira voice ya ka ore ibe deep o ka re ke monna so no. Siswati. I can look at you the whole day or some bore. It's all game road, right? Let me put a give you so. Hopagela again. Era or Hopagela because the chunsa galipila de Hopagela. Era or Hopagela. Pagela in Dijo. Pagela Dijo or Hocapela. No. Hamba Wui. I sort of voice about deep every morning. No. But hobulela language and my voice is already change. Ulela need. If ulela Zulu, I change your voice how. You have a YouTube channel? Nope. Kilobula next year. I think it means morning. Oh, Pagela. Yeah, it's only Pagela. Marnar is about Pagela Dichu. Mpagele. Koskolo Mpagele Dichu. It's about you. So, yeah, Pagela or if you I can see. Kiki Quakali. Speaking as well. Guys. Can you talk Siswati one more time? Yo. Yeah, bo? Please call from who? Please say Intombatan. Okay. Intombatan. Can I feature you on mine or do couple content? Yo. That's Njolo man. Yamanya vale Njolo no vale heta rathe Arnarate. So Renava's Julie Paramanat. Yeah, you said it correct. Ntombatan. Ngendeni. Angat phela babe. Yini babe ne? Angat phela babe. Kwenzenjani? Kwenze. You know, you see Sindebele, Zulu and Swati. Kinto one, but the different logic so. Ampur kancane so. Yabo. Tina In my home language, masithi wenzani. ISwati wendani. Wenzani, wendani. Yes, Zulu yini wenzani. Wenzani. Yes, Zulu. Wenzani. Is it wenzani? Aketsebi kitsibile. Eri ngasinatsandza nonke bolava. I promise I won't bother you anymore. Ngani sithanda. Yeah. Which language is our? Ngiyasitsandza nonke bolava. I promise I won't. Guys. Hi, Tswana, give it. Ohlalapi. I said Maputo. Next to Nigeria. Maputo. Ke tswa Maputo. Mozambique. Bachelor Sithando. Sengiphume Mozambique. Mozambique. Angidisturb la khuluma nani mina. Bongeza. Mina ngiphuma eMaputo. Ngitswa Zimbabwe. Papa ke mo Nigeria. Do you have a child? Yongeke. Ngafa ngiphile. Hi guys, njani? On my live. On my live. Do you have a child? A big no. Are you gonna get married when I'm 35 years old? I'm at 85. No, 35 no. 87. Even if kisanyalo right, I don't want to because ba bona ba dira di-divorce ha ke re mo mahlong a rona. Lenyalo le ska dira ka re a le tsebe wa nyiwa. Even if kisanyalo a ona bothata. I don't know that. Can you say something? By this time. That's right now. How did you meet? Oh, uhlala la hello. Pitor. Singal. Sparkles. Hi. Ngikada ukubuza uhlala phi. ngihlala eMaputo sithando, Mozambique, next to Nigeria. My dad is a Nigerian. Ngiphuma eMaputo. It's a Maputo. It's a Maputo. Maputo. Thanks, Papi. Maputo, Nigeria. Yeah, bro. Hola, hi. Hey, for real. For real, Refilwe. For real. Hi. Cabo, honey. I need something to drink. Guys, tap the screen. Tap the screen. Really? Hi, thank you for the roses. Saying you follow you, I'll follow you back. You follow me, I'll follow you back. Follow for follow. Huh? Okay, Minangi. You were in Swaziland. Okay. Hi, Tumza. You can ask me any question. Oh, guys, I'm boring. I need water. Something to drink. I need water. Water. Gavin. I'm back. Haven't Dichidima. Girl, I'm not a baby, so I don't understand your language. What are you saying? What are you saying? Hi. You're so pretty and calm, yo. I don't talk too much. I won't go anywhere until you end the live. Cela usixoxele indaba yakho yase-high school noma into eyenzeka high school. Nothing. Nabe ngimuntu othulile nje, you know. Ongathwenyiyo. Bo abantu bebathwenya mina nje. High school. Hello Chamama. Hi, unjani? Manje akaze bakugile. Yini ugilana? Yini leyo? Hi, Lebahan. I wish I can be your friend. Okay. Mara guys, ish. Kenya ko this thing ya. Kenya ko accepted your request, but I don't know what's happening here. So I don't know. Maybe I did something. Angel on earth. Thank you. Hi Karabo. Hi Simza. So beautiful. Thank you. Hi. Ora mujol. Lena baba jola. Robot saying the time. Ora mujol let's hurry ya. Cause Rena are jol. Robot saying what didn't have. Not Dolly. Thank you. Bale tsore yang batho ba lena ba bale jolang ka Rena are jol. Wanyisa ne? Thank you. Koratelo robalela net. Oh my eyes. Which video made you popular? I think we double on 2023. And that challenge, yeah. Then again, so it's that's already 1 million. No, 2.2 million views. And double last year. Clear ya do your phone so style like challenge ya. Ish na kiloways. But if you scroll down. Scroll. Watch the video ta kamera makas ito yon. 2023. Request call. No ka understand our why batswadi ba sa batle re jole ya. Lava. Ole tsore sha. Ka ba he tilo tle kwa nna ne mpotse. Ke tla go tshepila ya. Guys, I'm regulating the tripod. Bona. Regula bonsing ring la bona. Bona fete. Bona. Por shoot yang content. That's creepy. Bo. Bo. Por shoot yang content. Kanti. Yo tu a full. Bo. Kiring mà. Kiring. Cái sao là thì cũng phone này tiếng cái gì vậy? Bona, ini three example. Bo. Bo, phone ni lang bo. Fancy best three bo. Kiring. Problem sih. Stress sih. Kau sudah kan? We should donate 20 rand each. Oh, kau sudah kan? Aksa sudah review. Lapa? Haris. How much? I don't remember, but I think it's 350. 350 yeah. 350 Lancer Seras Thing That's fire. Itu keren sih. Papa sa bonang bo. Ai cái gì là bonang à? Levi cho là thế. Bo. Cái gì? Ito ang drip again shit. Hi, ito regela, don't lie. Don't lie. I have 3, né? But là cái ring light like a whole, là a medium and then clear. So yeah, got some melona everywhere. One sort. Cái cô vào cái sẽ có begin mà cái sẽ cái. At ring light into là cosa más ahora voy a mostrarte. Into la básica. Yo tú veamos. ¿Qué cosa me trata mal? So I don't know. So then I got with it. I'm happy. Bye guys, thank you so much for being on my live since 9 o'clock until I'm gonna to 12. So bye guys. Kalarata love. Bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye. Wait, guys, I don't know. Bye guys. I'm ending the live on 3, 2